This is a payment proof of $15.53 and another payment proof of $12.33. And this one is the one that I just received yesterday. This is a payment proof of $12.23. All these payment proofs I show you guys on my wallet are all the same thing in this particular withdrawal record, which I'm showing you guys here in today's video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how I earn all these things and how to earn from this particular platform. It's an old platform that have been paying me USDT on a low key. But before we continue, if you are new to my channel or you have been watching my channel, this is ZBK Crypto. This is my space, my crypto space, my YouTube space, where I share updates on how to make money online, things that are working for me, things that can also work for you at the comfort of your own home, what you need to do. And all my updates don't normally stress people. So if you like this kind of update and you like things that someone is showing you with raw proof and you love long-term platform, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. Yes, once you're done subscribing to my channel by clicking on this subscribe button, you're done following me on YouTube. Then next thing you have to do is to make sure that you turn on all the bell icons so that you get notified anytime I post any new update. As you can see, I share things that is working for me and mainly based on long-term platform and also legit airdrop, not airdrop that will shop, that will eat you up your charge fee and leave you with useless tokens. I'm making up and dropping updates on real airdrops. So if you like this kind of updates, don't forget to follow me on YouTube. And also you can follow me on my Facebook page where I also drop updates on things that are also working for me. You can follow me on my Facebook page to get more details and get more updates even before coming to YouTube. So enough of the introduction. This is the update. This is LUDT leading bot, that is leading bot trading bot or whatsoever, but it's leading bot whatsoever that is scans. So this is where you make money, or should I say online trading bots makes money for you according to your plan. So this is a long-term platform and it's been running for a long time now, very now. I've been earning from it and I've shown you guys what to earn from it. There are free ways and there are paid ways to earn from this particular platform. So that means you need to watch this video attentively for you to understand it, because I might say it in the middle of the video, end of the video, or beginning of this video. So watch this video attentively for you to understand every other thing. So I've shown you guys my payment proof. Now you guys have seen that it's legit and it's paying. So this is time for me to show you guys how to earn money from it. So if you follow the link in the description, it's going to take you over to this particular platform like normal. Then once you're done signing up, they're going to give you free bots. For those of you that follow my updates all this while, those of you that I have around if I go over to my team over here, I have around 545 team members in total, both level 1, level 2 and level 3 members. My level 1 members are 298. Almost 300 people have gotten this particular opportunity under me, although none of them, only one person took it serious under me, but that's okay. I'm just trying to show this video to you guys for you guys to see that I'm even earning without referrals on this particular platform. That's good and that's huge. So how did this platform work? If you are one of these 545 people that have signed under me and you are using the free version, maybe if you started it when I dropped the update, maybe you have gotten a very good amount of capital on your account, as in on your, maybe you have gotten around up to $100 or more. That means you are equal to the task. Now what you have to do now is to go ahead and activate any robot. How do you activate robot? First of all, if you're a new user, click on this place that says market over here and you will see all these robots listing here. You see a free one that does not require any price, that will not ask you to deposit anything. Click on it and activate it. It's gonna be giving you 1.4 USDT every day. I'm not gonna I cannot demonstrate it here because I'm no more using the bot. So once I'm done with it, bear it in mind that you cannot withdraw from that bot. You cannot withdraw from that bot, but you can still withdraw from it if only you have activated another paid miner. So I think the least miner here, the least bot here is around 50 USDT, or should I say 60 USDT. So I'm making this video today for those of you that are serious in making money online. So if you click on this place that says activation now, you see that after the robot is going to be working 2 times daily for you, and it's going to be giving you $1 to $1.9 USDT every single day, and your money is going to be on lockup until 60 days, and after 60 days your deposit is going to come back to you guys. There's no loss in it. After 60 days your deposit is going to come back to your account, and you will have to choose to reinvest or deposit. So what you have to do now is to go ahead and go. If I go over to my section now, you see that my actual deposit was $29. That means there was a time that they brought out this robot called LOV 1 minus 800 LV 800 whatsoever. So that was what I'm doing. So how do you activate your robot? Click on this place that say robot. Your own is gonna show robot 1 if you're a new user or you have not activated any paid robot. So if you click on this place that say robot, it load up a bit and asks you to activate robot. So this is how to activate the robots right now. So if you click on this place now that shows a digger icon, then the robot have started mining for you. So after 2 hours or more, the robot is gonna expire, and I'm gonna continue this video, as in the work of the day is gonna expire, and I'm gonna receive my benefit and continue the video for you guys. So right now in the day, I went to my bank account and I went to my robot, and what you can see now, as you can see, the robots have done doing the work of the day. So all I have to do is to click on this place that shows tether TRC20. So to click on it, and instantly it have added my reward of the day, my money of the day to my account, and now my reward wallet just increased from 2 point something USDT to 3.92 USDT. That is almost 4 USDT. So that is how you earn from this particular platform. Now if you want to withdraw from this particular wallet, so what you have to do is to click on this place say reward wallet. Minimum withdrawal is 12 USDT. So what you have to do is to first of all know it that what you are withdrawing is 50% of this particular of whatever you have in your reward wallet. That is one thing I hate about it. If you click on this record, you will see all the things that I will earn so far. So that is one thing I hate about it. After earning your reward from your bot, what you have to withdraw is 50% of it. It's not that good, but at least I've gotten my capital and my gain back. So once you enter the amount that you want to enter, let me assume that I want to withdraw this 3.9. now if I enter 3.92 here, it's gonna give me 50% of it. That is half of it. So I don't have anything on my reward wallet, and as you can see on my active wallet now is $1.96, and that is once you'll be able to increase it to 12 USDT, you can easily withdraw, because minimum withdrawal is 12 USDT. So how do you withdraw? You have to either go to withdrawal, enter the amount you want to withdraw, click on withdrawal, enter the amount you want to withdraw, enter your wallet address, your payment password, and everything. Once you're done with it, click on withdrawal, select select TRC20 for your own goods. So once you're done with it, your withdrawal is gonna be on pending until they review it. It normally takes 48 hours, but my own normally takes around 24. So that is how this particular form works. So how do you earn free from it? It's by referral. If you can refer, go ahead and refer people. Once you click on my team here, you will see this place that says there is somewhere that will show you okay, they have ended it, ended it. So another place of earning is this your credit score. Once this your credit score reach 100%, you will get something from that. As you can see, my own is a number far from being 100%, so I'm having 97.97 here. If I click on it, you see they are telling me that it's 98.8 here. So we are waiting for it to reach 100 so that you can easily convert it to USDT and also withdraw it. So now after every day, make sure that you go back to your robot, to your account, to activate your robot every single day. So tomorrow I'm gonna go back to my account and activate my robot again. So remember, minimum withdrawal is 12 USDT, and that is how this particular platform works. So I hope you guys got value from this video and try your best to earn from it. Remember, Speaking is not in any way financial advisor. I'm not in any way affiliated to this particular LUDT. So do your own research. I'm just someone sharing information on things that is working for me. Do your own research before investing in any particular platform, and remember, invest what you can afford to lose. My name remains Speaking, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.